Good evening. This is Master B from the Trading Lounge LLC. I have on in the co-chair my partner in crime, Master Vivian from Afro-Cuban Trader. We are going to break down tonight on our prep work strategy by way of Apex Trader, and hopefully this will be able to make things clear for people coming aboard. Master V, any intro words?
No, yes. Hi, everybody. Like you said, I'm Vivian, the African Trader, and yeah, future is where it's at, guys. Everybody's looking at forwards, but gotta look at the future. It's gonna break it down real easy for you guys to get funded and start trading futures. So let's get it, right?
Outstanding. So when you come aboard our team, the first thing that we have, we recommend that you sign up with Apex. They are offering 90%, and occasionally they'll come in at 80 or 90% off of the regular price. And this is their website. We encourage everybody to start at 25K or 50K. Right now, to July 4th, they offer 90% off of the regular price, which comes to about, it's less than $20. So you would come to this website, sign up, and we would then help you get your charting set up and everything. Right now, they are using NinjaTrader, and that's the trading platform that we recommend and that we train on. And we just wanted to go over our prep work. This is for anybody who's coming aboard, so we want to record a video. So our first thing that we do, which is of the utmost importance, is that we do a thing called the top-down analysis. Now, this is a common phrase in our community. It's often heard among swing traders, top-down analysis. As day traders, our highest time frame that we really are concerned with is the 60-minute chart. Okay? Because the 60-minute chart pretty much covers Asian and London sessions before the actual New York session. So it's very important to know what did London and Asia create as a ceiling and floor. So I'm going to in this recording pretty much write out our strategy. Okay? So the first thing that we want to do, first thing is always check your news announcements. Okay? You do not want to be trading across a news announcement or a high impact news announcement. Usually you have interest rates coming out, interest rates reports, or you have the Federal Reserve. You want to be aware of that ahead of time before you actually place a trade or before you actually even start your prep work. So the first thing is always check your news announcement. And we have a website that we go to called forexfactory.com. Okay? So we go and we check forexfactory.com. I'll pull that up so you guys can see it. Okay? Just type in Google, Forex Factory. Start typing, comes up. Now, on the Forex Factory website, what we're looking for are these red boxes. These red boxes are high impact news announcement. What that means is that when the news announcement comes out, it's going to create a reaction to that news. Okay, so if you're in a buy trade and you're going across a news announcement, all of a sudden the market will reverse because they are reacting to that news announcement. So it's very important to first check before you start doing your prep work. Check and see if there is a news announcement coming out during the time that you trade. Okay?
Yeah, Brian was also going to tell them to make sure they're in the correct time zone according to where
on Forex Factory, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Make sure that if you're in the Central Time, that your Forex Factory is corresponding to the time zone that you're living in.
So they could change it up there.
Yep. And these news announcements is always based on Eastern Central Standard Time.
Yeah, and they could filter out also the folders over there.
Yes.
On the right-hand corner.
But once you come aboard, we'll fill you in on that.
Mm-hmm.
But we can filter these out to just show red boxes.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's your Forex Factory. The next step that you want to do is you want to go to your hourly time frame. Okay? Which is the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we are looking for our floors and ceilings. Now, one thing about in the lounge, we like to keep our terms simple. Okay? Floors and ceilings is your universal language anybody can identify regardless of what language you speak. When I point to the floor, it's the floor in every language. When I point to the ceiling, it's the ceiling in every language. So we like to keep our terms very simple. On the hourly chart, you're looking for your floor and your ceilings. Okay? Then once that step is complete, then you drop down to your 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. And there we are looking for our demand and supply zones. Okay? Now, once you come on board with our team, we're going to break down how to identify the floors and the ceilings and stuff. Right now, I just don't want to make this video too long. We're just explaining our trading strategy. Okay? The next video that we do, we're going to break down the hourly chart, 15, and the 5-minute chart. This is our definition of top-down analysis as a day trader. Okay? So we go to Master V, feel to interject anytime.
Sure.
On our 5-minute chart, okay, we are looking for our support and resistance levels. Okay? This is all going to make sense in the next video when we break down how we actually go about finding these things. Right now, I just want to give the strategy on our daily routine. Wash, rinse, and repeat. This is the stuff that we do every single day. Once we get to the 5 minutes and look for our support and resistance level, then we are starting to get ready to look for a trade. Our entry comes on the 1-minute chart. Okay? So the 1-minute chart is where we look to buy and sell off of these levels. Okay? That makes sense.
Yeah, you just want to keep it very simple.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Very simple, and something that you can transfer this information onto your children. First thing is always check your news announcement. That's forexfactory.com. You're checking for red boxes. Then you go and you start prep working your chart. The hourly chart, we are looking for the floors and the ceilings. The 15-minute chart, we are looking for our demand and supply zones. The 5-minute chart, we are looking for support and resistance levels. And on the 1-minute chart, last but not least, that is the chart we are looking to enter in the trade based on these levels. Okay? This video was just dedicated to our trading strategy and introduction into the merge of Afro-Cuban Trader and the Trading Lounge. And we're going to keep it short. All right? The next video, we're going to start breaking down exactly what we do on these different time frames. Until then, I am Master B.
And I'm Vivian, Afro-Cuban Trader. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.